Namaste. Welcome to your practice. This is all done sitting on your chair. So if you're a student, great practice to have a yoga break. If you're working at your desk, also great practice to look after yourself when you have a short break. So let's jump right into it. Sitting toward to the edge of your chair, sit bones pressing, open your legs about hip distance apart. Whether you're bare feet or wearing shoes, checking your big toes in line with your heels. And now as we sit up tall, close your eyes. You need some break from looking at the screen. And just keep your shoulders rolling up, back and down a few rounds. Spine getting taller, shoulders relaxing, up close to your ears and down, pull away from the ears. Let's keep going. Nice, gentle shoulder roll. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. As you relaxing shoulders down, just move your neck side to side a few rounds. Feel the side of your neck. Very nice. And let's go forward and back. Don't need to go too far down or up. Just feel good. Nodding forward and nodding all the way back. Very good. And now pull your chin up toward to the sky with shoulders relaxed, hugging the ribs and belly in. I want you to circling your neck. Think about your circling with your chin. Forward and up, side, down, and up. Very good. Let's keep going. Shoulders pull down. 3, 2, and 1. Let's reverse. You can move slower or faster. 2, and 1. Very nice. And now as you come back to neutral, interlacing your fingers, push your palms forward and up toward to the sky. Lengthen through your side body. Take full breath in. As you exhale, open your legs a little wider than hip distance apart and carefully hinging into your hips, releasing your hands behind your knees, relaxing your torso down in between your legs. Head and neck fully down. And just go ahead, shaking your head yes and no, side to side. Very good. If you can catch further to your ankles, you can also lower the hands down. Beautiful. And now let's slowly roll your spine all the way up. Keep your legs together. Touch, inner thighs touch, arms up over your head. Catch your arm and pull up toward to the sky. And go ahead rotating your wrist few rounds. Pump it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen both arms up. Big reach. Exhale, side, arms down. Moving on to the other side, arms up. Catch your other arm and pull gently up. Feel your side body elongating. Go ahead, rotating your wrist. Using computer, phone all day. Give your wrist lots of love right now. Fingers nice and wide open. And now fist open, few rounds. Do what feels good with your wrist right now. And now reaching both arms up, big reaching higher. Side arms down again. Beautiful. Interlacing your fingers, push your palms forward and up again. As you exhale, we're making gentle twist. Twist toward to the left side. If you have a arm rest, you can hold onto the arm rest or down to your chair and gently twist. Look over to your shoulder. Beautiful. Come back to the center. Lengthen taller. You can interlacing your fingers or reaching just up. Exhale. Let's twist toward to the other side. Very nice. And now come back to the center. From here, hold behind your knees again. Lean forward and down, belly pressing on top of your thighs. And you can just wrap your arms around your legs. Hold onto your opposite elbows or up a little higher. And from here, listen up. Pull your chin down toward your collarbones. Head and neck heavy down toward to the ground. I want you to feel your shoulder blades stretching. So think about your rounding your spine up toward to the sky like a cat. So you feel your shoulder blades stretch, which is the part that's the area where sometimes feel like having the knot, using a lot of computer and phone, right? So you can just gently stretching that area, breathe into it. Beautiful. And now slowly releasing your arms down. Come up one vertebra at a time, extending arms up, back up toward to the sky. Slight arch on your lower back, mid back. Exhale, arms down by your side. This time, let's take head roll once more. You're circling, full circle back, side and forward. This time, think about your circling from the crown of your head. If you'd like to feel a little deeper stretch, you can hold onto the chairs from the side and circling to the other direction. Beautiful. And now come back to the center. Releasing your hands down to your thighs and go ahead, rub your palms as fast as you could. 3. If you're wearing glasses, take your glasses off just for a moment. And just close your eyes and bring the heat on top of your eyes. Gently pressing. 2, 1. Gently releasing. 3, 2, 1. Let's rub it off once more. You can blink your eyes open. And let's do it one more time. Pressing gently. 2, 1. Release gently. 3, 2, 1. Blink your eyes open. Very nice. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short break, yoga break. I'll see you on the next class. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.